day 11. So we're very excited today because Daddy is home today. Richard is coming home. Yay, we're all excited. Daddy's coming home. I've just checked. He has boarded. And basically I have a flight tracker on my phone. And if I'm awake while he's travelling, I always track his flights. Have they departed yet? Scheduled departure was 8:25 and it's now estimated at 8:45. So about a 20-minute delay. But yeah, you can actually watch it travelling in the sky. What was I going to say? I'm not doing my hair, so apologies. My hair today is going to look awful, but I am going to do my face. Well, I'm not going to do much to my face, in all honesty. What was I going to put on my face? Bit of BB cream. Use all these samples up, I keep getting them. Otherwise I'll be in a pickle, won't I? Just a little bit of colour today, don't you think? So I have to pack. And I have no idea what I'm packing. I think I'm not going to worry too much about dressing for the weather because I'm just going to take a coat that hopefully will go with everything that I choose, and a rain jacket because it is due to pip it down the whole time we're there, which I don't mind because I like the rain, so it doesn't bother me. That don't, but and I've got to take all these things for Lily. Lily is the most important person to pack for though. I'm not bothered if I forget anything for myself, but as long as Lily's got everything, that is all that matters really. Right, that'll do. I'm just a little bit more colourful than I was. Don't want to scare everyone every day. I do worry that you look at me and think, oh my god, what a complete mess. And you'd be right. Half the time I don't wear makeup, I don't care about the way I look to her. I'm just in my house. The thing is, to me, I'm just in my house. But really, I'm actually out there, so a lot of people can see. Which is why vloggers are always well done up, aren't they? Oh, there's a clip in my hair, I think. I slept in that. I've got lights on in every single room. Do you know what? If Richard was here, he'd be having a go at me. He'd be like, Jane, turn off the lights. I am. As soon as I go into a room, I turn the light on and I don't turn it off again. I just leave it on. I'm now packing Lily's stuff. So her stuff is all going in this big bag. She has got some stuff in here, but I don't want to pack too much. Do you know? if he's landed, he's just got to go through the airport. Then his brother's picking him up. Oh God, my eyes look terrible. And then he's gonna be here. So I'm down ramming myself a bath. And I'm going to be using my new, what I got in my Birchbox, Philip Kingsley bodybuilding shampoo. But I haven't got a conditioner, so I'm gonna have to nick a conditioner from something else. And I'm also going to use this, which is the Glam Glow 30 Mud Hydrating Treatment Mask. So Richard is due home within the hour and I feel myself acting like a complete nutter. I just keep going to the window and then I'm just pacing up and down the corridor. I think it's because I know that I've still got to pack my clothes, but I have no idea what to pack. I've got 2 pairs of jeans and 2 hoodies and all my underwear and pajamas. But that's it. I literally don't know what else to pack, because in all honesty I just don't feel comfortable in any clothes that I own, sadly. Come on, Richard.